Hello and welcome. I'm Kory, the art archaeologist. So what I've got here today are some natural eco dye kits. Now I went ahead and experimented with a few different eco natural dyes at the end of this season, and I was far more concerned with learning than I was making videos about it. So, I try to film everything I do, but sometimes I've just got to learn something and see how it goes. But I gotta say, I absolutely love working with natural dyes. So now, of course, this is spinach, this is onion skin, this is avocado dye, and then this kit is a combination of all three of the dyes mixed together and painted on the pages together. So I'm going to whip through all these and show them to you. They are available in my shop and they are all linked below. So next season, if you haven't subscribed yet, next season I'm going to be doing a lot of eco dyeing with natural dyes. So you might want to hit the subscribe button for that, and let's go ahead and take a look at these. We'll go ahead and start off with this spinach, and I'm going to play music like I always do, but I just wanted to say that these are so incredibly grungy, and I realize that that's not everybody's taste, but it's definitely my taste. So I hope you enjoy looking at these as much as I've enjoyed making them. Here we go.